My name is Sara Waiswa. I am a documentary and portrait photographer from Uganda, and I am based in Nairobi, Kenya. I came to Abidjan to attend the Africa Foto Fair. There is an exhibition for Reframing Neglect by the End Fund where my work is also showing, and I was involved in the panel discussion about advocacy and photography and the importance of how that takes place and its importance in making a difference in discussions around social issues that affect the continent.
I am here in AFF 2024 as a part of Reframing Neglected exhibition, which talks about neglected tropical diseases in Africa. It was a great opportunity to show what I would call an interpretation of what does neglected tropical diseases affect, or how does it affect people in Sudan. It was an amazing experience to be part of a beautiful group of artists who found different ways to interpret the disease and what's going on. And it's also a beautiful chance to show these works here in Abidjan.